Hey, what's going on? Thank you for tuning in another episode of Hotel Revenue Magic. My name is Bruce Jordan, and today we're going to be talking about hiring crisis. What we need to do to get more new hires, get more people in the door, and how to do it. The first thing we have to do is we have to post part-time positions. Don't just try to just hire all full-time people. You know, some people are just getting back into this after a long time away from this industry. So they may not be ready to just go all in just yet and, get slapped with $1 million hours worth of overtime. You may want to focus on running your job posts simultaneously, part-time and full-time. And this way, you can bring them in, you can reel them in slowly. You can reel them in slowly before you throw them to the wolves. So focus on part-time and full-time positions. So post them simultaneously, part-time and full-time, and see if you get any bites. The second thing you can do is you can relax your hiring standards just a little when it comes to people with criminal convictions and background checks. I remember I had one guy, the guy was convicted of tax evasion. They didn't want me to hire a guy for tax evasion because his accountant had gave him some wrong advice and he had to pretty much bite the bullet for it. They didn't want me to hire that guy for front desk. Yeah, okay. So, start looking at the nature of what's going on before, you pass judgment, just to see like, hey, this one may be the one. The next thing is you want to add the bonus and the tips into your posts and into your ads, into your job posts, if you have them. Because now the employee knows that he's working for more than just an hourly wage. There's no limit to the amount of income he can create for himself, herself, and their family. Number 4, give a salary range. So if you have people that are making $13 or $14 an hour, just as an example, if you have people that are making $13, $14, $15 an hour, but you start at $10 an hour, that person needs to know that they can make more money. So if your salary range should be $10 to $15 an hour, at least it gives you room to negotiate based on that individual skill. So always give a salary range in your listings. Number 5, start restructuring your shifts. Me myself, I had a 400-room property. I didn't have a night audit because I knew the flow of what I was doing. Like, I knew the flow of my property, and not too many people came in at night. Not too many people came at 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So it may be to your advantage if you do have a walk-in at that time, whatever the case may be. I had security help them out. If there was a walk-in or something like that, security give me a call, and I'll knock it out over the phone in 2 or 3 minutes, and show security how to make the keys and send them on their way. So, but all the other reservations, especially if you have rooms or a hotel that has like the Salto locks or the locks that you can open with your cell phone, get them all set up. Start calling, start texting those guests. Let them know, hey, we can go ahead and get you in here now. You don't have to come to the front desk. I will email or text them the reg card. They'll sign the reg card online, or I'll have security have them sign the reg card and have their keys and stuff already made before we go. Number 6 is pay more money without paying more money. Just because you want to give somebody more money, that doesn't mean you have to pay for it. And if you want to find out more, especially when it comes to housekeeping, go to WeTipHotels.com. WeTip Hotels allows you to pay your housekeepers more money, and your hotel pays nothing. They don't even pay credit card processing fees. WeTip Hotels do all the accounting. They do everything. All you have to do is tell your housekeeper, hey, you're going to make more money. And what it does is allows your housekeeper to get tipped via credit cards. So, because nobody carry cash anymore, so a lot of housekeepers are losing out on tips. And it's really that simple. Your housekeepers get a check every pay period. So pay more money without paying more money. Go to WeTipHotels.com, and we'll be talking to you soon. Thank you for tuning into another episode of Hotel Revenue Magic. My name is Bruce Jordan, and you know what we're here to do. We're here to make your revenues rise up once again.